Greetings everybody, this is Dave Matuzik from MacDac Engineering, and I've got another mini tutorial for you guys here. I'm going to show you how to use the Machining Cloud to bring tools into Mastercam. The Machining Cloud is a free app that you can download from the Machining Cloud website, and it has the tool catalogs of many different manufacturers in here. Right now I'm picking Iskar tools, but I have many other brands that I could be choosing from. And you also can save these to a job. Now, one of the cool things about the Machining Cloud is I can make a list of tools in here. I can use it to get holders, speeds and feeds, and the shapes of all my geometry. Now, here's the thing. This is great. I have it here in the cloud. I want to bring this tooling into Mastercam. So what I'm going to do is go to my job. So you have jobs in here, and this is the job I'm doing, just called the demo part here. I've got 3 tools in it, and I'm going to bring that into Mastercam. So what I have to do in the Machining Cloud after I'm done picking all my tools is export the job. So we're going to export it here to Mastercam, and we have to name what our zip file is going to be, and I already have one here. I'm going to override the old one here. And now I go down to my Mastercam. Now to bring that into Mastercam, what I need to do is load in this case, a milling machine. And I can do my job in here. I can bring them in ahead of time, but I'm going to go to my tool manager. I'm going to import that job. So I'm going to go to import tools, import data from the Machining Cloud. And I'll open up that zip file that I just made, which is on my desktop here. Mastercam demo part. And we need to validate these tools to make sure that Mastercam can read them. So I'm just going to select all the tools I want to bring in. So if I click here, it'll select them all. And I'll hit validate. It's reading the tool data. And I'm going to save these tools. I can either save them to my library for future use, or I can just save them to the part I'm working in. Sometimes it'll give you a warning. That's okay. We'll just hit OK. I'll close out of this, and now I have a tools in my tool manager. So there we go. There is the face mill that I brought into Mastercam that was in the Machining Cloud. And these are the 2 end mills I was using. So I brought those into Mastercam, and I can now come in and be able to use them to do any sort of tool path I want inside of Mastercam. So there's a quick way to bring tools in from the Machining Cloud directly in to Mastercam. Thanks everybody, and have a great day.